Hey guys, it's JCTV, and today we're going to be doing a nerf gun one, so let's get right into it. Today I'm joined with some other YouTubers. Maddie from The Beauty Outlet, please subscribe. And Jude from Jude.
Your hero, Jude Whelan.
Yeah, I can't even see your face.
Okay.
So let's get over here.
I am here!
Yeah, please subscribe to his channel.
And subscribe to mine.
Yeah, subscribe to yours, weirdly.
No, we've also got Florence, who isn't even a YouTuber, she's my main sister.
Yes, the sister.
So the teams are...
The sister from the mister.
The teams are Maddie and Flo, the pro, the dream.
So...
You're just amateurs, you will get from this.
Oh, sass!
Oh, it's on.
So, what's your strategy? What's your strategy?
My strategy is to shoot people.
Okay, what's yours?
Mine. Okay. Well, I
One.
No, wait. No, I need to show them this.
What?
My little strategy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it.
One.
Guys, I'm gonna leave a gun on the floor. So they come to pick it up. I'll be hiding from a bush and shoot me 3 times and they'll be out.
Okay.
Guys, did you not know though? If you get shot 3 times, you have to tell the truth. Then you're out for 10 seconds. Okay.
Then you get back in.
Go back to your base. You have to go back to
10
your base.
milliseconds.
You have to go back to your base.
Make it 10 milliseconds.
Okay. Guys, get to your bases.
10 milliseconds.
Get to your bases. You need to go find one quickly.
Yeah, find one.
Okay. You're going to beat them, aren't you?
Yeah, I probably will. They're just amateurs. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to leave a gun on the floor so they get lured in. Well, I'm just going to quickly do something. Okay, tell us when to start. Tell them when to start.
Okay. Guys, it's just getting ready. Don't know where the girls are. Just going to know that they're going to do a sneak attack. So that's their car. That's very nice. You ready?
Hey, come on, they know they're there.
Go! You know if war starts now. So that's the gun. Guys, it's just me. Okay, so the cameraman does not see them. So that's great. They haven't even showed up yet. That figure is Jude, just to tell you. So at the moment, I don't know where the girls are.
Flo shot once. Flo shot twice. I didn't even get. You got shot once. I did it. Oh no, I left my gun there. Flo can pick it up.
He has another one.
I know, but Flo can quickly pick that up. And the girls are going to move in 3, 2, 1, and Maddie gets hit. What was that? What was that, you little bit fat? What was that? You're quite big cat. That was Maddie hit once.
I'm hit once.
Maddie hit once. And Jude chose his other gun.
Again.
Maddie shot twice. Last shoot for both of them.
Oh, Flo.
Flo shot 3.
No.
Flo's been shot 3 times. They've both been shot.
I'm in base anyway.
I need your 3 times. I need your... Oh, no, not the bullet then. I've got a few more.
Yes.
Right, I need to capture their flag. Where's their flag?
Hang on, I still have to stay here so you can't shoot me. I'm coming round the corner.
So where is your flag? What is your flag? We don't have a flag. How about light?
Jude makes a run for it. Girl's gonna get him.
Guys,
still
who
here.
wants to use this gun as their flag? Me. It's not loaded, so it hasn't got any bullets. Mine is you know, the one of the pink purple pillows. You have to bring that back here and touch your door.
Hello.
Yeah. You know, I have the purple pillow in our house. Yeah. And bring it back.
Who's gone first?
That light. Look, guys, you have to put the gun down on the floor. You're not allowed to use it, Flo.
No, this is our...
You know it's not got any bullets in it.
I put them in there.
Do 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 do.
Oh, runs!
No, that's 2 shot. 2 shot, Jude.
I've got 1 shot.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm getting my gun back.
Dude! Oh. Go back, get the sniper!
They're going savages. Savage. That's Flo right there. Where's everyone? Jude went inside to get something. Let's see if they're down there. Girls are hiding, I think. Yep, they're hiding. It's all clear, I think. Jude's coming out. Jude, can't find them. Right, Jude makes his move.
Got my little DIY thing connected.
Yeah, we should make a DIY about that.
Yeah. Connected a little... Where are they?
I don't know.
They're still there.
I just walked up that way and they
So I've
didn't
got my
come.
sniper out, so if I can see them, I will see them. So I've got the light attached to it.
Yeah, but you won't need your light up here.
Oh no, stop, no, they're not there. The light's gone. The light's gone, so... Wait. I hear you, you know. I got your flag! I got your flag!
And Jude has won. That's it for all, guys. Please subscribe to our channel and see you guys later. Bye.